For those who dream of living life on the open road, the latest creation from Wilderness Vans offers the perfect balance of comfort, practicality, and timeless style. This Canadian-built 2024 Ford Transit custom camper van proves that adventure and luxury can coexist in one elegant, fully functional package. Based in Lethbridge, Alberta, Wilderness Vans has earned a strong reputation for building what they proudly call high-quality, memory-making machines, and this project continues that tradition flawlessly. From the moment you set eyes on this van, you can tell it's far more than a standard Ford Transit. The exterior has been reimagined to support a true off-grid lifestyle. Several new windows brighten the interior, while a sturdy Rover Vans roof rack holds 3 200-watt solar panels and a Fiamma electric awning, ensuring both energy independence and outdoor shade. The addition of side flares, a feature more commonly seen on Mercedes Sprinters, allows for an east-west bed configuration, creating an impressive 18 inches of extra interior space. Each flare even includes its own window, adding light and airflow to the sleeping area. Climbing aboard is easy thanks to built-in steps, and once inside, the van reveals a clean and bright interior that feels more like a designer apartment than a camper. The customer envisioned a timeless aesthetic, and Wilderness Vans delivered. White cabinetry, white shiplap walls, wood-effect vinyl flooring, and dark brown accents on the countertops, bench seating, and ceiling create a warm yet modern atmosphere. The interior features an open layout without a wall separating the cab from the living space, giving the van a spacious, airy vibe. Both the driver and passenger seats are mounted on swiveling bases, allowing them to turn around and face the living area. Directly across from the entrance, there's a versatile seating area with a single bench and a table. The bench cleverly extends to accommodate 2 people, and a large side window lets you enjoy beautiful views while dining or working remotely. The kitchen sits along the passenger side and includes all the essentials for life on the road: a 2-burner stove, a deep sink with a fold-down faucet, a Vitrifrigo refrigerator with a freezer, and a microwave oven. Clever use of space ensures there's no shortage of storage. Multiple drawers, overhead cabinets, and a concealed compartment for the gray water jug help keep the area organized. A flip-up table section extends the counter, making it easy to prepare meals even in a compact space. Opposite the kitchen is one of the van's biggest surprises, a fully waterproof bathroom complete with a shower and a ceiling vent fan. This feature takes advantage of the space gained from the side flares and brings a new level of comfort to van life. Right next to it sits a tall, floor-to-ceiling storage unit with a wardrobe and drawers, 2 of which double as steps for easy access to the elevated bed platform. The bedroom area is both cozy and functional. 5 overhead cabinets, 2 reading lights, a long shelf, and an integrated ceiling air conditioning unit make it a comfortable retreat after a long day of travel. The raised bed design creates a garage below, accessible from both the rear doors and a small interior hatch, perfect for storing bulky gear like bikes, skis, or camping equipment. 2 heavy-duty slide-out trays provide even more organization options, while the left compartment houses a 5-kilowatt EcoFlow power system. On the plumbing side, this camper comes equipped with an 18-gallon freshwater tank, a 16-gallon gray water tank, a 3-gallon water heater, and even an outdoor shower for rinsing off after adventures. Altogether, Wilderness Vans' latest Ford Transit build blends aesthetics, efficiency, and long-term livability. Though pricing hasn't been disclosed, the company offers an online build calculator for those ready to design their dream camper. This isn't just a van, it's a home on wheels, ready to turn every journey into a lifelong memory.